Hey everybody, today we're changing out the spark plugs on a 2017 Hyundai, whatever you want to call it, Elantra. It should be the same for most years, from like 2011 up to like 2020-ish. Just make sure you double check the exact spark plugs for years in the process, but it looks all pretty similar. So the first thing we're going to do is just pop this cover off, and there's just 4 little grommets that hold it on. So we'll go ahead and just pop. 1. Might give you a little bit of resistance, but go ahead and you can just pop it. 2, 3, and 4. You can see here where we popped it off of these things here. And the next thing we're going to do is get our ratchet and take off these 4 bolts on the coil pack. Some people actually take the wires off. I'm actually going to leave them on and just pull the coil packs out. So we're going to take a ratchet with a 10mm socket and just get it onto these bolts here, and then take them off. And then when we get them off, we'll just set them up here. Well, we'll set them right there so we can see them. And we'll do this for all 4 of them. All right, now we have all 4 of the bolts out. Go ahead and take the coil packs out. A little bit of rubber grommet on the top here, so you'll feel a little pop when you actually get them out. Just like that. All right, now we're going to take our ratchet again, and we're going to put a spark plug socket on the end of it. This is a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. It's deeper, and most of them have like a magnet or a rubber grommet to help kind of pull a spark plug out. I don't think this one does, so we'll just go ahead and loosen this one out. So if it doesn't come out with the spark plug socket, you can take a magnetic stick like this and pick it up and out like that. If you don't have a magnet, you can actually take your coil pack and stick it back in and try to get it around the top of the spark plug and pull it out like that. So taking a look at this one here, we can see it's pretty old. I don't know if it was ever changed. This thing's got 156,000 miles on it. Doesn't look very good to me, so we'll go ahead and get them replaced. All right, so with our new spark plug, we're going to take a spark plug gapping tool like this. See if we can focus it there. And we're going to make sure we get it to 0.44 is the gap. So we're good to go there. We'll do that for all the new ones before we install them. So we'll take our new one, put it into our spark plug socket, and then we'll just lower it down into the hole. Try not to drop it too far. And then we'll just go ahead and start tightening that one up. All right, so we got it in there pretty good. And we'll just give it one good turn until we start feeling some resistance, which is about right there. So somewhere around 20 foot-pounds is where we want to be. All right, so once we get our last spark plug in, we will go ahead and put our coil packs back in, starting with the closest or the farthest to the right. Makes it a little bit easier. And we'll just drop them all in first, like so. Once we get them all in, we'll put our 10mm bolts back in and then put our cap back on, and we are all done. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody, and good luck doing this for your vehicle as well.